There are places that simply exist, and then there are places that are felt. Spaces where every detail is intentional, every line crafted with purpose, and every moment elevated beyond the ordinary. This is not just a home. It is a statement of vision, a reflection of timeless design meeting modern brilliance. From the very first step, you sense something different. The air feels lighter, the silence more refined, as if the walls themselves carry a quiet confidence. Light dances effortlessly, revealing textures, forms, and materials that speak without words. Every surface tells a story of precision, patience, and artistry. Here, space is not just measured, it is experienced. It flows seamlessly, guiding you from one moment to the next, never rushed, never forced. There is harmony in the balance, a rhythm that feels both grand and deeply personal. Comfort takes on a new meaning. It is no longer just about relaxation, but about immersion, a feeling of being completely surrounded by beauty, where every corner invites you to pause, to breathe, to simply exist within the moment. And yet, beyond the elegance, there is innovation, a quiet intelligence woven into the design, anticipating needs before they arise, blending sophistication with effortless functionality. It is a world where tradition and progress do not compete, they coexist. As the atmosphere shifts throughout the day, so does the experience. Light softens, shadows stretch, and the space transforms, offering a new perspective with every passing hour. It is alive in its own way, constantly evolving, yet always grounded in its identity. This is more than architecture, more than design. It is emotion translated into form, a place where luxury is not defined by excess, but by intention. Because true refinement is not about what is seen at first glance, it is about what is felt long after. And in the end, that is what remains: a feeling.